लो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। इस क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि एज shown in the figure a particle is moving with constant velocity 5 meter per second. Considering its motion from A to B, the magnitude of the average velocity is what? Right? So हमें average velocity find करना पड़ेगा, right? So इस डायग्राम को हम फिर से ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, right? So पार्टिकल A से B तक जा रहा है, so this is A and this is B. Okay, let's say this is point O and the radius is R. Now हमें given है कि यहाँ पर वेलोसिटी v था और यहाँ पर भी वेलोसिटी v है। हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट इज द एवरेज वेलोसिटी, राइट? सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट दैट इज कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एवरेज वेलोसिटी। एवरेज वेलोसिटी, ओके। सो एवरेज वेलोसिटी क्या होता है? v एवरेज इज इक्वल्स टू total distance, or you can say total displacement by total time, right? Now A से B जाने तक total displacement कितना होगा? That is this path, right? Now if we break this in between, so this angle will be 60 degree because the whole angle is 120 degree, right? So let's say if this is x, right? So from the triangle, so इसको हम C नाम देते हैं। So from triangle AOC, sin 60 degree is what? X by R, right? So यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं कि x is equals to sin 60 degree, which is equals to root 3 by 2 R. Okay. Now total displacement is what? Total displacement, that is S, is 2 into x, right? Because this is x, so this will also be x. So total displacement will be 2x, that is equals to root 3 r. So total displacement we get, that is root 3 r. Now we have to find the total time, right? So total time find करने के लिए पहले हमें लगेगा, so total time is what? Length of the arc by velocity, right? So ये जो आर्क है, ये वाला आर्क, इसका हमें लेंथ लगेगा, राइट? सो टू फाइंड द लेंथ, so length of the arc is what? Is equals to 120 degree by 360 degree into 2 pi r, that is equals to 2 pi r by 3. Okay. Now velocity v is given, that is 5 meter per second, right? So this is equals to 2 pi r by 3 into pi, right? Because the velocity is pi also. So this is pi से pi कट गया. This is equals to 2r by 3. So हमें total time भी मिल गया, that is 2r by 3. Now V average that we have to find. V average is what? total displacement that is s by time. So s हमें क्या मिला था, that is root 3r. So root 3r by 2r by 3, right? So that is equals to 3 by 2 into root 3, which is equals to 1.5 root 3 meter per second, right? So this is the average velocity of the particle from A to B, right? So the average velocity is our option D, that is 1.5 into root 3 meter per second. Okay. So hope you understand it. Best of luck.